What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a how-to video, guys. Not really how-to, but we are going to revisit and aggressively undervolt a 6700 XT. Now, this does require you to use more power tool, which we have used previously, of course, on this card. Same card that we've had for a while, running by itself on the test bench. So we know that it is good to run at 140 watts, and it always lived happily there, but we actually are able to take away a little bit more watts than we originally were doing. So in this video we'll go over the stock, the normal clock, and then aggressively undervolting. Now you could potentially go lower. I cannot go lower with mine because it eventually just bogs out and kills the hash rate. So I'm right on the verge of pushing it too far on lowering the watts. So you'll get to see a little bit here, a little bit of the overclocking will be sped up for you, and then we'll chit chat at the end. So real short video for you today. We'll catch y'all on the flip side, and let's undervolt this card. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. See you time we go live here, and check out DogeLordCoffee.com. Referral link is down in the description for you below to get yo drip on. So there you go, guys. There you have it. Now you got to see basically the 6700 XT that we've had for quite a while now, thanks to Serpent, which you can find his channel in the description down below. And we used more power tools quite a while back. You'll find a reference to that video in the description as well. We actually were able to pull away an extra 10 or so watts from what we were originally hashing at, and only losing the 0.2 mega hashes from our original clocks and speeds that we used to have. Now at stock settings, we showed as well at the very beginning of this video, so you get to go through the stock settings, just basically leaving the core where it sits, do nothing with the core, and you just run that memory all the way to the moon, and then as well as enable fast timing, and you're able to drop -30 so far here in Windows, utilizing the drivers that we're actually using, old drivers on this version. So we'll revisit this and we'll run the new drivers and everything else as well. So enjoy this little tidbit of aggressively undervolting a 6700 XT. Was kind of cool. Tried it out whenever we got a card back here, and we were able to do it pretty easily and just pulling an extra 10 watts away. So nothing crazy, nothing really to write home about, but we're able to pull away some watts, which relatively drops the temperatures and overall provides the longevity of the card itself. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know every time that we go live here on the channel. We would greatly appreciate it. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Keep your hash rates up and definitely keep them watts down low, and we'll see y'all next time.